Hey guys, it's May, and today I need to talk to my Stamp Club members. We've made a little change on our website to make things easier for us internally. So basically, no more having to turn our store off and on whenever we put new products in, and we could not be more happy about this. And we need to tell you how, as a club member, you will now access your 15% discount and how you'll use your coupon code for your loyalty points. Okay, so as a club member, you get a 15% discount on most items. There are very few items that are excluded, but some are. We're going to talk about that in just a second. You also, as a customer, you don't have to be a club member, but as a customer, you can earn loyalty points on our website just by heading to this bottom left-hand corner and signing up for the loyalty point program. And every time you make a purchase, you earn loyalty points. So you can use that as you earn them. But if you're a club member, when you make a purchase, here's what you're going to do. So you're going to head to our website, which is maymaymadeit.com, and in the top right-hand side, you need to sign in. You have to be signed in for the system to know you are a club member. So if you're a club member and you want to use your 15% discount, here's what you do. At the top right of the screen where it says sign in, you need to make sure you're signed in. This is how the computer or the software is going to know that you're a club member, because you're signed into your account. So I've got my information there. I'm going to click sign in. And once I sign in, it'll have my name in the top corner and I'll know that that is me. Now, I'm going to start shopping. So I'm going to go over to the shop button. And let's say I want to attend Craft Acropolis. I'm going to click on that one. And then I'm going to choose something from the site that I want to add. Maybe I want to take Lisa's class. So I'm going to click on Lisa's class here. And when I do, I can come in here and choose which one I want and add it to my cart. Now I'm adding this one to my cart because I want to show you some items do not receive a discount and some do. Classes are one of those things that don't receive a discount. So let's go put something in our cart that does receive a discount. Let's click on new products and let's try some purple tape right here. So I'm going to add that to my cart as well. So get me a roll of that. And I think I'll add one more thing. Let's go add, how about a stopper topper? I always like new stopper toppers. So we'll click on that. And let's get this guy. The weenie dog one, of course, is the one I would pick. And let's add it to the cart. Okay. So now that I have everything in the cart, I want you to notice something. Do you see right here this little button that says example club member apply? Okay, this is just an example of the code you can put in here. All right. So right here is where you want to put your new Stamp Club member code. And this is what your code is. Club member. Now it looks like it's already filled out for you, but it isn't. That is just an example of what should go in there. So you're going to click in here and you're going to type club member. Now it doesn't have to be all caps, but we're going to type it that way anyway. Now once I do that and click apply, it's going to redirect me to my shopping cart. So it's going to take me to checkout. So now if you look right here, you can see that the stopper topper does not get a discount. They're already discounted 15% from their retail price. My purple tape, though, I did get my discount. So it moved it from the regular price of $4.99. It moved it down to $3.61. And then this one, I don't get a discount on because it's a class. But I wanted to show you this so you could see that you will get your discount. Now, you're probably noticing that that is more than a 15% discount. That's because we haven't turned off our other system yet. So it's really giving me a double discount, but yours will just be your 15% that you should get. All right, here's the best part. Notice that my club member status is here. If I have a loyalty point coupon code, if you have earned some loyalty points and you want to put them in here, you can click right here and put in your VIP code that you get from your loyalty point coupon, and you can apply it and you can use them both. I have been waiting on our software provider to create this, and now they have. So now you can use 2 coupon codes on the site. I'm so excited. So the first one you put in, that first little spot I showed you, you put in club member there. That lets the system know, hey, I want to use my club member discount. And then here, if you have a loyalty point code, you put it right here. It's that simple, and it makes things so much easier for us as well. Let me go back to the cart. I tell you what, I'm going to start another one. And this time I'm going to put in just items that are just discounted so you can see that. So let me go clean my cart out just a little bit. Okay, so I've got some items in the cart that are not excluded from discount. So I'm going to type in club member to let the system know I want to use my club member discount. I'm going to click apply. And now when it takes me to my cart, you'll be able to see that the regular price is here. My discounted price is here. Isn't that awesome? So retail price here, my discounted price here. And remember, it'll be 15% as a club member. That's what you'll see shown for you here. Then if I have my loyalty code, my loyalty points, I can just use it right here and I can use both of my coupons in one fell swoop. That's the reason we did this. We wanted you guys to be able to use 2 codes so you can use your club member code as well as a coupon code. And now we won't have to turn our store off every time we get new products in or update inventory, because now the system knows you're a club member in a different way. It's beautiful. It works great for us. Now, here's what we're going to do. We are going to make this active by on Friday morning. This is when this one's going to be active. So you've got, you won't lose your code at all. If you have any issues, just give us a call at the store. We'll take care of it. But I just wanted to make sure we put this out for everybody to see it. And as of Friday morning, when we open at 9 a.m., this is going to be how you get your coupon code. Okay. And we're going to talk about it in the live show tomorrow and everything. So I'll make sure everybody understands it. But that's how we're going to do it from now on. It's super easy and it makes life so much easier for us. So thanks so much for watching today. I'm so grateful that you're a club member. If you're not a club member, check this out. Come right here. Join the Stamp Club. We have 4 different clubs for you to choose from. A U.S. club, an international club, a scripture club, and an international scripture club. So check those out. And also, if you're interested in how any of this works, you just come right down here and there's a video that shows you all about what our Stamp Club and the incentives are. And then down here, there's all the information on when it ships, how it gets to you, how much it is, all that good stuff. Okay. So be sure if you're interested in the clubs to watch those videos and to check out all the information on the club sites. And we will also be adding this video to it as well. And don't worry that I'm putting the code out there for everybody to see. If you're not a club member, the system knows it and it won't, that discount code only works if you're an active club member. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.